tonight on Garage Time, we're letting you know our online store is up and running. There we will be selling some of our hats. We have the original hot oil sensor. We are a reseller for them, so we have them in stock now. And just in today, we got our first shipment of bus eyes. So we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing and show you the latest samples of what we have. Okay, so here we go. So we have multiple styles in here. I'm not exactly sure of the colorings we got or the expressions we got, but there's happy faces, angry faces, wonky faces, there's different colors. You know, we have some for bay windows, split windows. We got a rear window in here, so let's see what we got. And they all come in a fancy little bag. Alright, so there's your happy eyes, and this one is quite large. So I'm gonna think that's for your wedge. We'll put those in the bag nicer in a moment. Black. Again, it's your happy eyes. Okay. So we have a black happy eyes, gray. Again, actually, use those safaris for something. Okay, so that's what they call wonky eyes. We'll post cleaner shots of these up on the website with pricing. I want to see a set of angry eyes. We're all about the happy eyes today, guys. It's a Volkswagen. They're happy cars. All right. We're happy again. There you have it. Happy? No, maybe that is wonky. Is it wonky?
It looks happy.
Happy. Alright. We're happy here at Garage Time, so that's what you get. And air fresheners, some stickers, colors, and this one here, they not only do front, but a nice rear window shade as well. So this one is for your bay window or split window with the large hatch, but it's an outdoor cover for your rear window, so we also have that available. We'll go ahead and get these folded back up nicely. Post a photos on our website, and they'll be available soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you out there.